Today we are going to work with money. We're going to learn how to add and subtract money. So let's say I'm buying new baseball cards. I have one baseball card that's worth $3.97 and one baseball card that I bought for $2.12. Okay, if I'm adding this, the only thing I need to do is, just like decimals, make sure that my decimal points are lined up. Okay, and then I add like normal. So 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. I need to bring my decimal point straight down, so I'm left with $6.09 that I spent on baseball cards. Okay, we attack subtracting the same way. We have to make sure that our decimal points are lined up. And say I have $14.85. I spent $3.91. I need to figure out how much money I spent. Okay, so again, make sure that my decimals are lined up. And then I subtract like normal. 5 minus 1 is 4. Can't do 8 minus 9, so I have to borrow. 8 becomes 18. 4 becomes 3. Now I can do 18 minus 9 is 9. 3 minus 3 is 0. And 1 minus nothing is 1. Again, bring my decimal straight down. So I'm left with $10.94. Alright, let's say you pay for something that costs $12.34 with a $20 bill, and you need to try to figure out how much change you're going to get back. Well, in order to borrow for this one, it's a little bit tricky because we can't do 0 minus 4. So we're going to have to borrow. Well, if we look over here to borrow from this 0, we can't borrow from that 0 because there's nothing. Can't borrow from this 0 because there's nothing. So we're going to have to borrow from the 2 first. So the 2 becomes a 1, this 0 becomes a 10. Well, now we can go back over to this 0 to borrow from here. So the 10, we're going to borrow again. The 10 becomes a 9, and this 0 becomes a 10. Now we can borrow here. So we look next door to the 10. This 10 becomes a 9, this 0 becomes a 10. Now we're ready to subtract. 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7, 1 minus 1 is 0. Bring our decimal straight down. So we're left with $7.66. Guys, keep this page open if you need to in order to help you on your assessment. Good luck today.